Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can install Marvel's Spider-Man Remastered when it gets released. So if you buy it on Steam, it's going to be the same as every other Steam. Let me just open up my Steam. In the meanwhile, I'll be showing you guys on how you can download it on Epic Game Launcher. If you buy it on Epic Game Launcher, all you want to do is it's going to show up over here, and then you just want to click on it, and then you're gonna get a choose a path, and then after that all you want to do is press on install. And with Steam, it's gonna be the similar as you download any other games on Steam. So we're just gonna wait for Steam to launch. My Steam is not launching yet. Alright, it just did. So over here you just want to go to your home, you want to select the game. And then after you're done selecting the game, you just want to press on, let's just select a game, something that's small, let's just select Hobbit, and then from here you just want to select where you want to install it, and then next, I agree, and then yeah, it's going to create the local files, and then it's going to start installing. I don't want to install the Hobbit, so I'm just going to cancel that. But yeah, that's going to be it. Honestly, there's nothing else to it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.